I tell my Lord to get my bag for all the crazy shit I do. Yeah, I'm coming back around. You know I'm not backing down. AK love that cat sound. So much shit my back out now. 101 can't last one round. Miss man wanna see me down. I tell my Lord to get my bag for all the crazy shit I did.
Wait! That hit him?
Oh! No.
Oh!
Thanks for the carry, guys.
Wait, hold on. Let me get a 1v3. Let me get a 1v3.
Easy.
So I can have 7.
Gotcha. Easy.
Alright, here we go.
Easy.
Fuck! Alright, what do you think?
Top. Dude, this better be a fucking no scope, dude. Just stop playing with your feet. Flawless.
Right, move your arm.
I'm thinking so, Panda. Let's go, brother! You can't make these things. What, man? We're out here destroying these
Dub
things.
after dub after dub.
So many, we can't even hold them all, man. Take the blindfolds
You guys
off.
good enough. Damn, is this obsidian?
I think so. Flawless game, brother!
Instantaneous, dude.
Game, I don't care, I only got 3 kills. Oh no, dude.
Oh, God. You guys need to find a different game, dude.
Most definitely.
Ronald Jeremy, more like Ronald McDonald, do fucking clown 4 and 6. Fuck. He's still 4 clips. One shot.
That's the way. On to the next round.
That
I thought
nade,
that was
though.
his nade. He just left.
Get
God
fucked.
damn it, bro.
Gravity's
God
downstairs.
damn it, bro. I said.
Damn it, bro.
God damn it, bro.
Came in your mouth.
Oh, you took him
Alright,
like
see you later, little bro.
No scope, last kid?
Nosk?
No scope?
I swear
Objective
to
complete.
fuck,
Very good.
dude, this better be. I got a no. Okay. I'm right in the blinker.
Dude, that was fucking. Talk about distance. Ooh.
It was alright.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Oh fuck.
Aha!
Middle.
That's it, lads. On to the next round. Get
You got
ready.
a teammate now?
I killed that kid and I just hear banging on his desk.
I mean, half
Ah.
but come on.
Three
Oh
up,
my.
3 down.
What'd you just do, Hulk? Slam him?
Let's
No
do
kill
this.
cam? Oh, he left. I'd leave too.
5 rounds down. One more, got to win.
Let's go. Oh! How the fuck did that kill me? He jumped off. Ooh!
That's 2 wins down. Keep pushing.
Yeah, that was
Alright, get to work.
clean and dope, like heroin soap.
Is that you pushing?
The North one?
Yep. Got him.
Oh my god, I got
5 rounds down.
down.
One more
Oh
for
my
the win.
god, I got a C4. Yeah, he did.
Huh?
Peyton. Peyton. Ah! Oh, load it. Oh, load it. Ow!
Raise your weapon. We're not finished yet.
What happened, man? What's going on, bro?
Yeah. What didn't you ever gonna? Back right. Oh, thank you. Ooh!
5 rounds down.
That
One more,
spooked me.
got to win.
That gave me big spook.
No, dude.
Just stood there, dude.
He didn't react at all.
Like, no, I think his controller died or something, dude, because I straight up just ran up to him and he, like, popped up out of the sandbag and just stared out into the sky. Oh, he's back there. Yep, good trade.
I got him.
Something to think about. Good
He's
work.
dead. No longer alive.
Just how we like it.
Just how we like
Easy,
it.
so easy. Wow, you guys suck big tits. Wow. Huge breasts. More like huge loss. What's that kid doing?
Not a whole lot.
Shitter Central tonight, dude.
Alright.
Oh, damn.
Oh, right side, right side, right side.
Stun?
My stun didn't hit. Oh, he's weak. LOL.
Oh, he's throwing knife me. He's in L corner. You see him? You killed the ramp too, dude? You're going off.
He's over here. Oh, there he is.
You have health though. Oh, Molly the other side.
Objective on the field. Move to intercept.
Oh, the dick.
Fuck! Oh no! Fuck! Well, I go to get you.
He was just panicking like fucking crazy.
Agamori, why are you a
You
furry?
suck.
Why am I a furry? I don't know.
Are you a furry?
I'm not.
Back red crate. Is
Dead.
that him? Yes, sir.
Gave him some extra love in the form of my balls on his face.
I saw that. I saw that. It wasn't even a guy dressed up in an animal costume.
He dick.
10 seconds.
Coming in like a flying eagle, bruh.
Outstanding.
Oh, we lost to a furry.
You'd lose to anyone. You fucking suck.
But respect. That is some game. Damn, what punishment? Damn.
3 in a row. Easy prey.
Oh, he's 5-0.
Yeah,
Just punishing them. He punished all 3 of them.
see, I could have done that. Yep.
Oh, they're both.
Oh.
Dude, I hate the throw knife in this one.
That's a win.
Talk shit ready. Here we go. Like, nah, I won't talk shit.
Cross maps for sure.
Hey!
Nice.
Alright, well, I guess I'll just stand up.
Go. Secure that objective.
I guess I'll just
We're
go
securing
fuck
the
myself.
objective.
That's on his back left.
Did 90
Is their
damage.
team gonna ace? Is he gonna ace?
No.
One
But
round
their
is
teammate
nothing.
did. Dude, watch me destroy this first kid.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Oof. Look at him not able to get a shot off.
AX50. I'm dead, by the way. Jesus. Dead.
That's a 4-win
That kid is
Show me 5.
pissed. Oh, that's a bad.
You're all that is left.
He's to your right, underneath. Oh,
He's up top.
yeah. Yo.
Keep moving. That is the way. On to the next round.
Fuck.
Lasered. Yo. He was mantling. Oh, teammate, can you do it? You can do it. He doesn't know you're there. You.
Oh, he does now.
Oh my god.
Raise your weapon. We're not finished yet.
What are you doing?
What are you doing, man?
That.
Reload.
10 seconds.
Oh.
Nope.
How the fuck did you just do that?
Objective on the field. Go. They're taking the objective.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Objective complete. Very good.
Yeah, I'll just leave it to you.
In your fucking forehead, dog. Get out of my game.